In this video, I'll detail how you can turn off or disable reduce transparency on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you have the Apple Watch Series 9, either it is 41mm or 45mm, and you want to turn off or disable the reduced transparency, then this video is going to walk you through. So if I don't know this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do here is click on the digital crown, just press it once. Then once you click on that, locate the settings on the app list or app menu, click on it. Then once you click on settings, scroll down and locate accessibility. You can even use the two crown to scroll down like this and click on accessibility. Once you can find the accessibility, just scroll down a bit until you see reduce transparency. If this is enabled in your own case, go ahead and tap it once to disable it. And once you disable reduce transparency, this is going to disable the feature to reduce transparency on your Apple Watch. So that is all you need to do to disable reduce transparency on Apple Watch Series 9. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.